But would you say that your law background is what got you specifically into like data privacy, or?
Yeah, for sure. I think once I started getting into my master's and I started taking various classes, which is why if you want to, I would recommend it, because I was exposed to many different areas of cybersecurity. I was introduced to like the cybersecurity policy aspect, the intelligence aspect of it. I was introduced to the forensic aspect of it. And if you wanted to do like pen testing, like I had a class where we did like labs and stuff. So like we used like Wireshark, like it was so cool. But
Wireshark.
Yeah, man. Okay.
I remember those days.
Yeah. Let's not bring those back up.
I'm sorry, I won't speak on it again. So when I took it was like a tech policy class, I was like, oh my God, like this is so dope, because there aren't a lot of cybersecurity policies that you hear about. First of all, a lot of our policies now, I'm not trying to get all political, but they're very outdated. So we need new policies that kind of like mesh with the technologies that we're introducing today. And I'm not just talking about like physical technologies, but just like how different it is to like, I don't know, order your like COVID test to your house. Like, is there any policy that's protecting people to actually know if are you actually ordering this, or is somebody, you know, like acting like they're you? So there's like nothing to kind of protect us in the digital space. And I think that that's one of the aspects that kind of like intrigued me even more. One of the things that I'm actually focused on in my dissertation is just utilizing like social media evidence in like law enforcement investigations, or just digital evidence in general, but specifically focus on social media, because, you know, if you use a platform like Instagram, Facebook, or Meta, right, TikTok, these platforms are free for us to use. We don't have no subscriptions, nothing. We just post on them. But if something is free, you're the product. They're selling you. They're selling your data that you're providing them. And that is something that scares me to a T, because it's like, we, not us, but people will get on there, because I will assume that we know better, right? Studying cybersecurity, but people get on social media and just post like, congrats on your new car, but I can see your license plate number. You don't know how much information I can do with that. Congrats on the house. You posted the city and state. I can see the 4-digit address. Now I know what you live on, you know? Just so many things that people don't realize, like even just like, it was funny because I was driving one day and I like looked at someone's like sticker on their car. Maybe I should have been paying attention to the road, but I was looking at the stickers on the car, and they had like the school, like proud parent of so-and-so school, and, you know, National Honor Society parent. And I was like, why are you doing this? Like, this is the sticker for the fridge, for the crib, like not for your car, because people can really know where you're from, and there's no way to kind of like this is just physical, but like online, like there's no way to protect you. Once that information is out there, it's like your digital footprint from when you young.
You know, it's so crazy. You don't even like, if you don't study this stuff, you don't even think about that. Like, you're just like, you know, you just
posting whatever, like, oh, that's where I'm at. Like, I always tell my friends, like, vacation, do not post me, do not post the location. Wait until we get back home. We're in the comfort of our zone, and act like you're there then. And people gonna be confused, like, I just saw you. Like, I know I was there last week.
I did the same thing.
When I studied the security portion in the Network Plus, like after I learned like social engineering and all that, I two-step factored out everything. Like, and I used to hate that, because I'm like, I always type in the code. But I was like, man, I'd rather type in the code than get hacked. You know, everybody talks about Cash App and like, oh, getting hacked. I'm like, no, they're getting hacked because they don't have security measures. I've had Cash App for years and never got hacked.
Two of my little cousins got hacked on IG.
Like, you can't even send money from my Cash App without a code. So like,
I'm not a Cash App fan.
I'll
stick with my Apple Pay. I also like, when everybody was using Cash App, that's when I kind of got into cybersecurity for real. And then like once they got hacked, I'm like, you're not about to play with my money. Like, there's no you can't come back from that. Like, that's money in my account that you play. We're not
exactly.
So I just kind of was like, you know, I trust Zelle. You know, if something happens, I can contact my bank and be like, yo, what's up? You know, that wasn't me. But with Cash App, it's just like, they don't even have a phone number. Do they have one now?
They don't have one yet.
They don't have one.
Well, I'm a contact.
No, they don't have one.
Exactly.
I could have sworn I contacted them one time.
Nah,
no, that wasn't Cash App. That was the hacker. That's what you called.
Well,